Hello, good people. Good morning, good day, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Freezer. I just bought a hybrid opal to audio interface. It's a 2-channel audio interface, and I'm using this with the cubase. I hear a lot of people saying it's difficult to use this with the cubase, but to me it's very simple. I'm using it with the cubase, so I just thought maybe I could share this with you. So as you can see, my opal is connected. After connecting this, you need to go to this website, which is vivaafrica.co.za/downloads, and then that's where you can get the software for this hybrid opal 22. So after installing the software, you need to restart your computer and connect your opal audio interface. After connecting it, you need to open your cubase. Okay, we are now on cubase. So here on cubase, we have to go here to the device, and we go right to device setting. Device setting, you should go here, VST audio system, and then here you have to pick this hybrid opal 22. As you can see, mine is ticked. So after that, we go back to device again and VST connections. Go to VST connections. As you can see, mine here is on opal input. We're talking about input. My input is on opal, but you have, because yours is gonna be on audio 1, I think, and audio 2, you have to come here and remove bus. You remove this bus, and after removing this bus, here will be empty, and then you're gonna come here and sorry, let me cancel this. You come here, you press this add bus. You add bus, is mono, and then you select the 2 channels, because our audio interface here is 2 channels, so you have to count 2 here on count. You press 2 and then you press OK. I cannot do it because I already have my channels here. You press 2 and then you press OK. After pressing OK, you come here, you store, and you can see mono. It will be mono 1 and mono 2. As you can see mine here. Now you see, this is my audio 1. This is where I have to record my voice. So you have to come here, left stereo in. You press this and you have to select. Okay, I didn't save There's nothing here. Okay, let's quickly go back to VST connections, and it means I will have to remove this and start again. This is you should do mono, you count 2, and then you press OK. You see here is hybrid opal 1, hybrid opal 2, and then you press store, you write name. I write it as mono. And then I press OK. Oh, it's already there, but I couldn't see it. Let me cancel it and cancel this one either and go back and see, because I should connect it here. Okay, here is mono in, so we are here because my microphone is on channel 2 there by my device, so I connect to channel 2. So let's see if it's recording. I press record, so I can't talk there because my microphone is far, but I can just click my fingers. Yes, as you can see, it's picking. It's working. This is how you will connect. You see, yeah, it's working. It's working. My microphone is working. It's recording. Everything is good. So it's fine, guys. I will see you next time. Goodbye.